Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Takira. I don't play, but I slay. Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing a mukbang. I have a Kool-Aid jammer, and let me show you my plate. So I was eating. I'm like, God, like y'all see that thing on my lid? It's on. You don't gotta worry about it. I got some macaroni, pineapple, ham, some more macaroni, and collard greens. Like, what's up? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Let me move this thing out of the way. Ty, you said you in the room? Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Guess what, God, I'm gonna be doing that ASMR. No, I ain't doing no ASMR. I'm just gonna be eating and talking. I'm gonna give y'all some fourth and fifth grade advice. No, I'm in fifth grade. I was in fourth grade lecture. Okay, y'all, that's my sister, my oldest sister. Hold up, y'all, let me open this. Okay, so for fourth grade advice. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so for fourth grade advice, I was telling y'all, like, when y'all go to fourth grade, don't think it's hard. Third grade is the hardest grade in elementary. I'm telling y'all. Only thing hard about fourth grade is that writing test. But if y'all pass that, y'all good. If y'all know how to write beginning, middle, and ending sentences, your body paragraph and all that, y'all might not know that. For the younger kids, but like the people that's going to third grade, I'm telling you, don't be nervous. Cause you won't be nervous on the first day. That's gonna mess your whole year up. So, okay, so that's the first advice. I'm gonna give y'all 5 advices. My second advice is don't eat in class. Yeah, don't eat or drink in class, cause that already mess your whole year up. If they catch you, probably gonna get expelled. Yeah. Third advice is, what's another fact about third grade? Don't be rude to the teacher. Don't be rude to the teacher. Like, don't be rude to the teacher. Because if you do, just don't be rude. So, and fifth advice is when you're taking the FSA, don't cheat, or don't have your phone on. So yeah, don't cheat on the FSA. Y'all know what FSA is from? Florida Standard Assessment. There you go. So yeah, fifth grade advice. Should I go to fifth grade advice or sixth grade? I'm just gonna make this video be the next mukbang. So yeah. This how you speak. Make sure y'all follow me on TikTok and social media and stuff. Instagram and Snapchat. Gonna put it right there. So yeah. I ain't gonna lie. Who wanna? Okay, so I'm popping my party bus. 5 of my subscribers are free. So I'm picking 10 people. 5 gotta pay, and 10 are free. 5 gotta pay, and 5 are free. So 10 people that's coming on 10 subscribers that's coming on my party bus. And the party bus is only party bus tickets are only $5. If y'all can't be my subscribers, y'all can't pay $5. Now if y'all can't make it, I get y'all. stomach's down. I feel like I just peed in my pants, to be honest. Oh, let me just got one more bite for 4th grade and for all grades. If y'all must be.
And he dropping it on the bus on this. Open this way. And he's dropping it on the bus like. Wait, what boy you talking about? This your YouTube channel?
This thing is hard. I'm my sister. That's my older sister. She's out. She's shooting y'all for y'all. Boy, don't coming in the car. It's not trying to smash. It's not bad. Oh, I'm doing Mary Killer Smash. Would I smash or pass Chris Brown or Chris Brown or Mike Jackson? Hell no. Mike Jackson ugly. So hell no. Mike Jackson rolled his hair. He had his little fro. He was bangy. He was cute in the bitch. Oh yeah, another thing. One more macaroni though. Bussin'. Y'all know it's bussin' because I don't even eat macaroni. So y'all know it's bussin' if I don't eat macaroni. Not even my family macaroni, but this macaroni, my mom and my daddy macaroni, that shit be bussin'. I'm gonna show y'all the inner of my plate. Now I can see my plate yet. So y'all just let y'all know my plate gonna be fully clean. Cause this, I ain't eating that. This, one thing I'm not eating. I just want it for taste. So yeah. Oh my god. Okay, so y'all, that's my sister. My first sister. Oh, that's my second sister. She not older than the pretty one. Her son, that's the oldest of all of us. I'm the youngest. And they don't got YouTube channel, but I do like. Y'all, this is like y'all 10 minutes. I'm sorry, because I'm eating too fast. I'm telling y'all, my mama shit good in the bed. Especially the macaroni. Last little bit. But see the ending. Oh, let me drink my juice first. Y'all see my onion? This is without this with. Like, y'all can't tell me shit. I was hungrier than a bitch. Okay, so let me throw my plate and stuff away. Wash my hands for you. So y'all think I'm nasty. I wash my hands. I wash them right now. Proof. Hands wet. It's barely a paper napkin. Like, who made this one little scrap of paper napkin up here? One little scrap of paper napkin. Okay, so make sure y'all like. Okay, so make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and tell any friends and family to join my channel. I would love to, because right now I'm not even growing. I only have like 2 or 3 subscribers or 1 subscriber. But I'm trying to gain more. That's why I post a lot. What's the point? Y'all get me. What's the point of posting if I don't got no subscribers? So, peace. See y'all the next time I hit y'all up.